Let's talk about some transformations of functions. First, we'll start with some definitions. A transformation is the graph of a function which is a result of performing certain operations on a given function. So, for example, we might add a constant to one of our library functions and then examine how that changes our graph. We'll actually use our knowledge of how adding a constant to our library function changes our graph to graph the function. There's two types of transformations. The first are rigid transformations. These shift or reflect a graph and change the graph's position, but not its shape. So if we think of our graph, in this case, as being stiff and not bendable, all that's going to happen is we're going to slide the graph around or flip the graph over. We also have non-rigid transformations. These are transformations that distort the shape of a graph. You can think of this kind of like stretching a rubber band, or if our graph was made of something that was flexible, then we could stretch the graph out either in the horizontal or vertical direction.